Yo, this is so funny. I just pulled up here. We're about to go to the meet. Look at that. We got Hash right here. We got Frank. We got Long Cord right here with this wide body kit. This thing is wild. Look at him. We just, that's him right there. This is so funny, guys. We're about to go to the meet right there real quick. You guys ready? Everybody's ready. Air it up. It's this, bro. Told you.
Front K-band.
Where is Hash? Right there. What's up, bro? Look at this white body. Yo, Bram, what's your set? What's your set, wheel set? Somebody was asking.
They're 19 by 10.
I see.
The CR series or the AP series, I'm not too sure.
This is 19 by 10, right?
Yeah.
And no spacers on this one?
Not on the fronts, in the rears I have 15 millimeters.
But this is also 19 by 10 with 15 millimeter spacers. So there you go. Whoever was asking me on this wheel setup, you got it. Don't forget it now. Look at that flush.
Stock size for the Honda Accord for the tires.
Yeah.
235, 40, 19.
235, 40.
It gives it like a stretch look to it.
Nice. All right. That's cool. They were asking. All right. Moving on to the next one. Look at all those cars parked right there. You got a 9th gen over there. A lot of people are like, where's the 9th gen? Now they got it. Yo, what are these? Spider headlights? You know about them?
Headlights, they're about 500 or 600 miles. They're currently on backward.
Seriously? Damn.
I had to call them. Dude,
I don't know where the guy's at. I want to see him.
Yeah, dude.
That's legit.
Oh, I think he has the fucking splitters, right? That's what
Yeah, but I don't know why they would took it to their...
He has a stock hood. He just,
you know, this is wrong.
Dude, he has a stock hood.
I'm just gonna say it. You don't want to...
Yeah, it looks
Do you want support for this? This is on your bumper already, so you want to put this on your crash bar, which is behind it. You got to connect that to the crash bar. That's how you support the whole bumper.
Dude,
But I guess that's for show. But if it hits, you lose the whole bumper.
He cut his hood open just to do the fucking thing. It's not
I heard that.
It's not.
Yeah.
You like it?
It's nice.
But see, you know what the thing is? He has a an SI. Oh, I don't like those ones. Not a big fan of those at all.
Which ones?
Those are the Type 3 or market, what are they called? I have the first one.
Looks like he
They're
got
like
him
the
from
stock Civic lights, but they have the integrated tail lights and shit.
got him from High Rev or somebody.
I had them at home. It's $1.
Hand warmers.
I mean, I don't know.
Oh yeah, we don't know.
I like the tires.
It's not bad. It's
Nah,
nice.
I'm not a big fan of that Barker shit. I know it's like straight on or some shit, right? No, those are like it's not decals.
It won't come that quick. Got the cores lined up
It was
here.
supposed to come on November 11th. Going backward.
Miata, pink.
Yo.
What you doing in there?
We got the boys.
Oh, that's all right. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. Well, look at the cops chilling. Of course, they came last time too to my meet now. They come every
Just
time.
seeing the cop car starts fucking
That's a nice color
riding
though.
down.
Imagine they got bags too eventually.
Oh, it's the glittery. Oh shit, it's the glittery.
Oh, it's the glittery one too. Oh man. You come close, look at this
so it's the
Miata.
farm
All
guy. He has
glittery.
What's the name of that shit?
It's a girl's car too. It's expensive. Oh, she has a rap stand too in the car.
She's chilling. Got a Humvee over there right there, man. Alright, we're about to go. Yo, where are we going? Hong Kong? We're going to Hong Kong? You guys got a visa? You got a visa? Still get some soup. It's too cold out. Alright, so that meet was pretty much whack. We have the best of cores here and we got a beautiful Civic right here. And the 9th gen is pretty dope right there. That 9th gen is really nice. But I'm gonna end it here and I'll get you guys a new separate video on this beast right here. And that guy, if we see him again. We got 2 days here.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Peace out, fam.